Textile applications. FR Clear is an innovative, environmentally friendly clear fire retardant for applications for materials that can absorb a liquid. It is water-based and non-toxic, for interior use only. This product has not been tested for exterior applications, not for use over non-absorbent substrates. Please make sure to read the entire manual or the technical data sheet prior to use. A small fabric sample should be processed with FR Clear in order to test the suitability of the material to accept the product with no damage to finish or appearance of the textile. Many fabric applications can be diluted 1:1 with water. A field test may show the FR Clear maintains effectiveness over some textiles at even lower concentration. The standard for the field test is the NFPA 705. In such cases, the customer may perform additional testing to verify the suitability of a reduced concentration for their specific textile. Fabric content will influence the amount of product required for successful treatment. It is recommended to create several samples at different application rates when preparing for a fire test to determine the best application rate for your specific application. Some fabrics may not readily absorb the product depending upon the presence of synthetic fibers. Over-application of the product may cause staining and/or stiffening of the fabric. Dark fabrics may be more likely to show chalking if over-applied or applied vertically where product can settle onto the bottom.